Function. It's very basic and important concept of mathematics which is used in all subjects, in all science subjects, even in biology, biological mathematics. Now, if as a layperson I say it's an operation or number of operation which changes one thing to another thing. In other words, this is input, this is output, this is the function which changes something into another thing. This operation or number of operation is called function. As a layperson, now we clear this concept with an example. For example, I have two sets A and B. I have two sets A and B. A is converting into B under some operation F. This could be one operation or more than one operations, and A is converting into B. For example, I have an operation of multiplication of 3. Okay, then A set, these are two sets having few elements, and these are non-empty set. If I have 2 here, 2, 3, there are 6. Okay, you can write it here, my multiplication of 3. 3, 3 is 9. 3, 4 times 3, sorry, 4, 3 is 12. What is operation here? Operation is multiplication of 3. If I have another case, that set A and B, where B set is converting into A set is converting into B under the operation of F, where what is the operation? I write here operation of x square plus 5. There is two operations. I put x here, 1 square plus 5, 6. 2. 4 plus 5. When I plug in the value 2, 2 square is 4 plus 5 is 9. 3. If I plug in the value 3, 3 square 9, 9 plus 5, 14. These are two operations. Now I take another example. If I have a case where A is converting into B under the operation of sine, as we know that when sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 over under root 2. How we write these operations? This is the operation where these values are converting into these values after applying this operation. How I write it? I write it as sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 over 2 under root. If I don't write here sine, I write here function f. How can I write these two operations? F of 30 is 1 by 2. F of 45 is 1 over 2 under root. What is the difference between these two? Here operation is given, here operation is not given. In generalized form we write it as, and this is called the domain of the function, this is called the range of the function. If I take x here and y as a range, how can write it? I can write it as f of x is equal to y, where this is the domain, this is the range, this is the domain, this is the range, this is the set of domain, this is the set of ranges or images. For more clear understanding, I give you another example. I have A tends to B, operation is log here. Okay, you know that log 10 is 1, log 100 is 2, log 1000 is 3. Okay, and as you know that we write it as log of 10 is equal to 1, log of 100 is equal to 2. This is the base, this is the range, this is the domain, this is the range, this is the domain, this is the range. Okay, this is the domain, this is range, this is image. On this operation of log is done and the output is 1. One more thing, is it possible from one calculator? I say to two students, please calculate the log of 2. One student's calculator give answer 2 and other student give answer 3. Is it possible that under the operation of log 100 gives, one calculator give the answer 2 and other calculator give the answer 3? No, absolutely not. It is not possible. So what we concluded here, it is not possible that sine 45 in morning is 1 over 2 under root and in evening is 3 under root. But how it is possible that operation of sine it is possible that after applying sine operation A to B, 30 gives us one answer 1 by 2 under root 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2, and other answer in evening 1 over 2 under root? Absolutely not. It is not possible. Okay, so what we concluded here? We concluded here that though no two or more than two ranges are possible for one domain. There is a unique range for every domain. What it's mean? One domain can't have more than one ranges. Okay, but if you see, I have an operation of multiplication of 0. Okay, here A, here B. If I multiply 2 with 0, I got 0. If I multiply 3 with 0, I got 0. If I multiply 4 with 0, multiply 0. Domains can have more than one domains can have one range, but one domain can't have more than one ranges. In simple way, one husband can carry more than one wives, but one wife at a time can't carry more than one husband normally. Okay? In other words, you can say that domains are wives and ranges are husbands. I think you clear this. Okay, this is the brief concept of function. For more clear understanding, please revise this lecture. Listen again. Thank you.